Today, we are here with wildlife specialist Clint Hahn to learn more about Angel, the Swallow Tailed Kite.
Hi, my name is Clint Hahn, and I'm here at Grand Bay in southeast Georgia this morning because I would love to talk about a very interesting species of bird called a swallow-tailed kite. She's a very beautiful species, and she's actually here at the wrong time of the year. It's wintertime here in South Georgia, and Angel is actually a migratory species of bird that travels here from Central and South America to breed once a year with her and her mate. They typically lay 2 to 4 eggs, and then when they get done breeding, after their babies have grown large enough to fly, they travel back to Central and South America in the winter months. And Angel's a very unique species of bird. She has many adaptations for flight.
Scientists stand here to talk about those adaptations. Angel and other swallow-tailed kites have a special shaped tail called a forked tail. These tails improve their aerodynamic performance, meaning birds with forked tails have more control over their speed and movements in flight.
Something really cool about these birds is the way they communicate with each other.
Swallow-tailed kites emit a high-pitched call or chirp when they're excited.
When they get here, they love to find a wetland area and nest in a tall tree, such as a loblolly, like the trees behind me. And if they can't find a really nice tall pine tree, they will actually nest in bald and pond cypress if the tree is large enough. And when they come here, they typically have 1 to 2 babies. And once they hatch, they travel with mother and father, that semi-monogamous pair. And they stick together and take care of that baby. And then their food habits, actually, they'll eat small vertebrates, such as lizards, mice, anything like that. And they also like to eat insects right out of the air. They've even been known to eat bats. And down in Central America, we wouldn't consider them a strict carnivore because they've actually been observed to eat fruit during certain times of the year as well.
Since swallow-tailed kites eat small animals as well as fruits and nuts, they're considered omnivorous.
An angel is a species that is protected by law here in the United States by the Migratory Bird Act, which means that I cannot either go out, hunt, kill, capture, or bother these animals. And that's a good thing because due to habitat loss here in South Georgia and the southeastern United States, their populations have actually declined in recent years. So when concerning this species of very beautiful bird, we got to remember that these animals are protected by law. They have many adaptations about them that make them unique. And from my personal observation, that's one of the most beautiful species of birds I've ever seen. And I know that they are intelligent from being around them. They have many adaptations about them. And we must remember those things when learning about such a species as Angel.
And now for some review questions. How many eggs does the swallow-tailed kite usually lay? 2 to 4 eggs. What is the Migratory Bird Treaty Act of 1918? A law that prohibits capturing and harming a particular species of bird. What kind of food does the swallow-tailed kite eat? Small vertebrates and insects.